Hi everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I am Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today I am going to be talking about my face mask collection in 2020. I, for some reason, have accumulated so many sheet masks, face masks, masks for your face, facial masks, whatever you want to call it. But I have collected so many, so I thought I would do like a little haul video of what my skin mask collection in 2020 is. So stick around. So some of these products I have used before, some I have as staples in my skincare collection routine. Other ones I picked up and I have not tried yet. I apologize in advance if you hear anything outside, but there is people mowing the lawn outside, so I'm really sorry. They're super close to my house, so you might hear it getting louder and not very loud, but I'm sorry. Let's hop into the video. So the first mask, and I love these masks. I still don't know how to pronounce it. Tony Moly. I think it's Tony Moly, but I love this brand. It's Orion Beauty. And they have so many of these masks. I really like the aloe one. This one is the I'm Lemon sheet mask, and it's for brightening. And I personally have not tried this one yet, but I have used most of their other ones. But it's just a normal sheet mask. You open it up. There's openings for your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. So you just take it out. It's all wet and drippy. You put it on your face before you go to bed, and you put it on for like 15 minutes to 30 minutes, and then you take it off. There's no need to wash these ones off. But I highly recommend these. I think they are, I love the packaging. I think they're super cute. And I will link all of the pricings and what they are in my description box below. This one I picked up at Ulta. The second mask I'm going to talk about I picked up at Target. This is the Yes to Tomatoes Clean Skin. This one is a peel off mask. I really like these. It tends to, it sticks on your face, and when you peel it off, you just feel like so refreshed. It peels away all the impurities on your skin. It helps with blackheads. It helps whiteheads come up a little bit so that you can easily get rid of them. So this one you use on clean skin, and when you put it on, you leave this one on for 8 to 10 minutes, and then it's gonna stick to your face, so you need to find like an edge to, peel it off. Another couple of face masks that I really like, and this is by Holler and Glow. I really like these. I picked these up at Target as well. This one I have used before. This is called the Money Honey, and what they are is they are little gold masks for under your eyes. These are infused with anti-aging remedies, so it's really nice. You put them on, and these ones you leave on for, let's see, these are 20 minutes. And then after you're done, you take them off and you kind of pat around the area just to kind of seal in the moisture under your eyes. And I loved when I used this. This is probably my third time buying this now. Is I would use it before bed, and then I left it on. I think I left mine on a little bit longer, which I think is okay. It just depends on your skin type and how sensitive you are. But in the morning, I looked so much more awake and bright-eyed, and I hardly had any dark circles under my eyes, which I really like this mask. The second one from them, so this is called Get Lit. So this is just a sheet mask. It has a little rainbow on the mask, and this is also for illuminating. So if your skin is just kind of dull and tired looking, use one of these. This one you leave on for 15 minutes. You again apply it to clean skin, and then wipe off any excess water. I always kind of like to rub it in and rub it down my neck, but this is saying to use a tissue and wipe off the excess. I mean, in my opinion, you don't really have to. So the next mask I'm going to talk about, so I really like this brand. I feel like it works pretty well for my skin. This is Ahava, and this is like a mud mask. I got this particular one from Ulta. It was, I spent like a certain amount of money and they sent me a bunch of like free gifts. I think it was like a 32 gift set piece, or whatever you call it. And so I got one of these, but I've actually used this brand before. A friend of mine is from Israel and she brought back this brand for me as well, and they were face masks. I used that one previously, but this is a similar one. This is a mud mask. So what you do is you apply this to clean skin, and you want to avoid the eye area for this since it is a mud mask. You want to go down a little bit farther and then leave this on only for a couple minutes, and then this one you rinse off pretty well. And what this is supposed to do is it's supposed to purify your skin, again, like making it super clean and taking out all the toxins from your skin. It helps with blackheads as well. And in my opinion, mud masks are more soothing. It can help with redness and any irritation that you may have. So if you are sensitive, I would recommend using something like this as well. So another mask that is a staple of mine, I keep it in my bathroom cabinet all the time. I try to use it at least once a month. So I usually like to use face masks once a week. I do face masks either Saturday or Sunday night, depending on, you know, what time I go to bed and all that stuff. But so this is one I use a lot. This is by Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This smells phenomenal. I love this mask. So this is a sleeping mask. So you put this on and you put it all over your face after you wash your face and all that stuff. Apply it to clean, dry skin, and you sleep in this one. So when you sleep in this one, you can feel it getting kind of tighter on your skin, and then it leaves like, you know, some residue. You can kind of peel it off in the morning, but I rinse this off in the morning. You are supposed to rinse this off, and I just love this. It literally makes my skin feel so hydrated, but it's not like oily or like wet in a bad way. It's just very hydrating, and it leaves your skin feeling really refreshed. Highly recommend this product. This is one of my favorites. So I forgot about another Holler and Glow one. I haven't tried this one. This is called Stone Cold Sober. And this one is like a sudsy kind of mask. What you're supposed to do is kind of like massage the bag a little bit, and then it becomes kind of bubbly. And when you put it on your face, what I'm gonna do is you can rub the mask so that it creates kind of bubbles around your face as well. And this one you leave on to 15 to 20 minutes. It just says to use a tissue and take off the residue, but really you can rub it in and run it down your neck. You never want to forget about your neck. I feel like people usually forget about their neck, but your neck is part of your face as well, and it will help, you know, with wrinkles and, you know, aging. That's another one. Haven't tried this one, and again, I got this one. I think this one I picked up from Target, but I want to say they have these at Ulta as well. Not sure. So the next one I have tried once, and I wanted to try it again because it was kind of a while since I used this one. This is from Shea Moisture. This is the Bamboo Charcoal Detoxifying Carbon Sheet Mask. I want to say I got this one at Ulta. And so this is made with African black soap and detoxifying bamboo charcoal. Your skin is left feeling nourished, balanced, and refreshed. And so again, you want to apply this to a clean face and then remove this one after 10 minutes and massage any leftover essence into the skin. No need to rinse. I'm so obsessed with masks. I don't know what it is. This one I have not tried yet. I did get this one from Target. This is from Pacifica. This is the Cosmic Vanish Pore Strips. I thought this was really cool looking. I'm a sucker for packaging and I really like Pacifica products. So this is with tea tree oil and hemp oil and witch hazel. So these are pore strips. So again, what you're going to want to do is wash your face, dry your face, and then apply these. You can put them over your nose. You can put them on your forehead. You can put them on your chin. And then what it does is it kind of sticks to your skin and it helps to clear out your pores and to either bring blackheads to the surface or completely take them out. So, and then you just peel it off. You leave these ones on for 10 to 15 minutes and then you pull off the strips and then you just throw them away. So there's no need to rinse this product. The next mask that I picked up, I think I got this from Target as well. And I have tried these ones before. This is the Mask Bar Pink. And this is a jelly sheet mask. It's to glow and hydrate. So it kind of reminded me of the Glow recipe, the watermelon, but this one contains pink grapefruit extract and watermelon. This one you are going to leave on your face for 20 to 25 minutes. And then this one you're going to smooth over your face and get out any of the bubbles that are in the mask. And then when you take it off after 20-25 minutes, then again, you're going to massage it into the face to get rid of that excess product. So there's this one. The next mask I really, really, really like. So my best friend bought this mask for me for Christmas. This is from Leilani Skincare. This is called the Mermaid Mask. And it's literally superfood for your skin. It's really, really cool. It is, I have to tell you, so it smells amazing. Like at first when you open it in the jar, it smells kind of interesting, but when you put it on your face, it smells like Skittles. Like Skittles and seaweed. So it is made with seaweed. It's green. I am gonna tell you, this gets everywhere. It's green. It can stain. When it's in my sink, it was kind of hard to wipe out, but I went on Amazon and I will link my other video for you above. And I did an Amazon skincare haul and everything was under $15. And so I went on there and I bought these silicone mask brushes. And so you can easily apply this. It is kind of hard to get out of the jar. It's kind of hard right now. So what you have to do is put a little bit of water in it and you'll see it's going to get really green and it's really sticky. And so I highly suggest getting a silicone brush or a mask scooper, something to scoop it out and then mix it up and then apply it on your face with the brush because you're going to get it all under your fingernails. It's going to get everywhere. But it's an awesome mask. This one, when you put it on, you can feel it working. You feel it kind of harden and it doesn't get hard, it just gets dry and it goes all over your face and you want to leave it on. I think I left mine on for 25 minutes and then you do want to wash this one off, rinse your face and then wipe it off, with a towel or something. Make sure you pay attention to the hairline in your jaw because it does dry in certain areas. And it is kind of harder to get off in certain areas, but my skin felt so nice the next day after I used this. So I highly recommend this. Leilani is a really good brand and I feel like they really know what they're doing. I want to say this is clean beauty. I will have to put everything in the description for you guys and let you know about that. I think it is a clean product. I recommend this. It's fun, it smells really good, and it works. So what more can you ask for, right? The last mask that I have, I want to say I picked up at Target. This is a Jade sheet mask. So this, it says it's kind of like aromatherapy and like gemstone therapy. I'm not quite sure what that is, but it's vegan friendly. I haven't tried this one yet. It's made with jade stone powder. It says it's like a 4-in-1 mask. So gemstone therapy, aromatherapy, skin therapy, and color therapy. And this is a K-Beauty product as well. So that's kind of what intrigued me to use this. I really like K-Beauty. I was just kind of curious about like the gemstone therapy. I thought that was kind of cool. But anyway, so you wash and cleanse your face, remove the mask from the packaging, you know, avoid the eyes. And this one, it says avoid eyes and lips. After 20 minutes, remove the sheet mask from your face and gently pat your face and let the remaining feel absorb into your skin. So I'm gonna try this too and let you guys know how this works because it seems really interesting to me. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. You can click on my face down below here and then check out any of my other videos that pop on the sides. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.